How to navigate Samsung Smart TV without a remote. If you've lost your Samsung Smart TV remote, you can still navigate and control your TV using the following methods. Method number 1, using the TV control button, physical buttons on the TV. Step number 1, locate the control button on your TV. Find the physical control button on your Samsung TV. It is usually located at the bottom center of the TV, beneath the Samsung logo, or on the back right or back left side of the TV. Step number 2, use the control button to navigate. Press the control button to bring up the menu. Press the button repeatedly or hold it down to move between menu options like power, volume, channel, and source. Follow on-screen instructions or use the button to select an option by pressing and holding. Method number 2, using the Samsung SmartThings app on a smartphone. Step number 1, download the Samsung SmartThings app. Install the SmartThings app from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store for Android on your smartphone. Step number 2, connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV and smartphone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Step number 3, open SmartThings and add your TV. Open the SmartThings app, tap on Devices, then select Add Device. Find and select your Samsung TV from the list to connect. Step number 4, use the virtual remote in the app. Once connected, you can use the virtual remote in the SmartThings app to navigate, adjust volume, switch channels, and access settings on your TV. Method number 3, using a USB keyboard or mouse. Step number 1, connect a USB keyboard or mouse. Plug a USB keyboard or mouse into an available USB port on your Samsung TV. Step number 2, use the keyboard or mouse to navigate. Use the arrow keys on the keyboard to navigate through menus and select options. A mouse can be used to point and click on menu items for navigation.